Welcome students. In this video we will study the image formation of a finite object in a plane mirror. Given here is the ray diagram of a finite object in a plane mirror. Please watch the video carefully in which I have shown this image formation. Study the formation of image of a finite object by a plane mirror. We'll make a line in the center which will represent a piece of mirror. We name it as M prime, and here you have seen previously as we have taken for the point object, make these lines. This shows that this is a silvered or polished surface, and so this becomes a reflecting surface, and thus we have to keep our object over here. So since we said that the object is a finite object that is of a given size, let's take an object here. Let it be a stick. Okay, so these are its two ends, A and B. So from first side we'll take two incident rays. As I told you, from every point minimum two incident rays are important to make a ray diagram. Here from B we will take 2 points and two incident rays here. These are the point of incidence. We have got 4 point of incidence since we have 4 incident rays, and we'll make 90° from here. From this point of incidence, this is your 90. From the second, this is a 90. From the third one, this, and from fourth, let's drop the normal now. Normal, as I told you, will be a dotted line since it is an imaginary line. This is your fourth normal from the point of incidence. Let's measure the angles. The first angle of incidence is 10-20. Angle I1 is 20°. Then 20, 30, 35. I2 is 35. Then come next the third angle of incidence. Then 20, 30, 39. I4 is 39. Then the fourth and the last one. This is the array. 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is 45. Sorry, this is I3, this is I4. 45. Now accordingly we have to take the reflected rays now. For the first one, it was 20, so we have to take the angle of reflection to be 20. This one. Then for the second one it was 35, so we have to take it 10, 20, 30. This is 35. The third is 39. 10, 20, 30, and here it is 39. Then the fourth one is 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, then here it is 45. Let's join these points now. It may be that there is not 100% accuracy, because when we join the points there may be some difference, but we try to make it perfect. Let's see how it comes. We'll take these rays back and we take it dotted, because we get a virtual image. What are a virtual image and real image we will study later in this chapter, but virtual image is something which cannot be obtained on a screen. So you know that the image which is formed in mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. That's why it is a virtual image. It is formed behind the mirror. So we take them like this. It is dotted image. These dotted lines we'll take for this. It is formed dotted behind. Till here it is the straight line, and it is dotted behind because it is virtual and it is formed behind the mirror. I will take it straight till here. In front of the mirror it is straight, but we take it dotted behind. We have to join these lines back. This is where they meet, and this is the point. It will be so this is how the image will be formed here. And one of the property of the image, like these two sides need to be equal, and it comes only with practice. Okay, so let's name these arrows. These arrows are very important because this will tell you the direction in which the rays are moving. This is the incident ray. It goes towards the mirror and bounces back. This is the first one. This is the second. This is the first reflected ray. This is the second reflected ray. This is the third incident ray, and this is the third reflected ray. This is the fourth incident ray. This is the fourth reflected ray. This is angle of incident. This is the angle of reflection for it. R1. This is R2. This is R3, and this is R4. So this is what the image is, and it will be A prime and B prime. The property of the image is that it is formed equidistant and it is of the same size as the object is, and it is laterally inverted. What is laterally inverted? We'll study in the coming part of the chapter. Thank you. Image formed by plane mirror shows lateral inversion. Let's study what it is. The right of the object becomes the left of the image in a plane mirror. The driver is able to read the word properly as ambulance in his rear view mirror. Image formed by plane mirror are upright. They are virtual. That means they cannot be obtained on a screen. They are of the same size as the object. They are laterally inverted, and the image is formed behind the mirror.